Okay, so we've been working on comparing fractions. Let's go ahead and compare 6 different fractions at this time. Let's start with 7/12, 1/3, 4/8, 24/50, 1/4, and 9/10. Scott, what's your strategy?
So what I did, I drew 6 lines.
Okay.
And so right next to each line, I drew 7/12 on one line.
Fantastic.
And 1/3 on the other, and 4/8 on another one.
So what you did is you used a number line strategy to help you solve this problem?
Yeah, but I did several lines. And so I divided one line for the middle. And so let's say I'm working with 7/12. I divide 12 into 2, and then so the middle is 6, because 7 divided by 2 is 6.
So Scott created a number line, and he knew that this point right here was at half. And he knew that at half was 6/12. And he realized, well, where is 7/12 going to be in relation to 6/12? If this represents 6/12, where does this fraction go? Scott?
That fraction should go like a little after the middle.
The fraction should go about here,
Yeah.
7/12. Fantastic. Okay, Scott, moving on. We need to go to 1/3. What was your strategy for this one?
So I drew another number line.
Okay.
And if we divide 3 by 2, it's 1.5.
Fantastic. Instead of drawing another number line, Scott, let's just go ahead and draw the same one. And you know that right here, in terms of thirds, it's actually going to be 1.5, right? Well, here we have 1/3, not 1.5. So where is 1/3 going to be placed?
1/3 should be placed, like it should be less than the half.
Yeah, it should be less than a half. If we have one piece and we're dividing it into 3 equal pieces, that means we need to take this number line and divide it into 3 equal pieces. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 equal pieces. So 1/3 will be approximately right here. So let's go ahead and mark this as 1/3. And now we're done with 7/12 and 1/3.
Now 4/8. So divide 8 by 2 and you get 4. So the middle is 4. So 4/8 is directly on the middle.
Yeah, so 4/8, right? If we're thinking in terms of 8s, here we have 4/8, and we know that 4/8 is actually, well, 4 is actually half of 8. So here we can go ahead and plot 4/8, which is our middle.
And 24/50 is, so divide 50 and you get 25, and 24/25 is really close to the middle point, but it's not exactly.
So if this is 25/50ths, we know that 24/50ths is, who said that? Yash, is what?
Less than.
Is less than 25/50ths. What else do we know about it? Like way less than though, Yash? Way over here?
Just
Just right next to it, because we know that 24/50ths is very close. We know 24/50ths is very close to 25/50ths. So again, if we're trying to be efficient, we can go ahead and label this as right here 24/50ths. Great, and now we're done with 24/50ths. Next, can somebody else pick up on Scott's strategy? Faith.
Then you go to 1/4 and
Where did Scott go first? What did he first relate it to? Who can help Faye?
1/2.
He related it to 1/2. So let's come back to 1/2. And if we're talking about fourths,
Then you.
how many fourths would be right at 1/2?
2.
2 fourths. Good.
But it's not.
So in relation to 2 fourths, where is 1/4 going to be?
Close to 1/3.
Less than, right? It's going to be less than 2 fourths. But the question is, where is it going to be?
Basically at the end.
Basically all the way here at the end?
Yeah.
Why is that so?
Well, I disagree with what you said. I think it's a little bit more to the right than all the way to the left because if you divide this line into 4 equal pieces,
Divide the line, Caden says, into 4 equal pieces. Here it's divided into 2 equal pieces. Now divide it into 4 equal pieces. Is that roughly 4 equal pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces?
yeah. So
Good. 1, 2.
so the line near the 1/3, if you just move it a little bit over to the left, you should get where 1/4 should be.
So right here, we'll go ahead and mark this as 1/4. And if we relate 1/4 to 1/3, let's take a look at 1/4 and 1/3. Imagine, right, we had a quesadilla, and we took that, right, and we wanted 1 piece out of 4, 1 piece out of 4, or 1 piece out of 3, right? That 1/3 of quesadilla would be larger than that 1/4 of a quesadilla. Yes?
Yes.
All right, let's finish with Scott's strategy. Somebody new that we haven't heard from, help us with 9/10.
To figure out where 9/10 goes, we need to find out if it's larger or less than half, which it's larger than half,
Can you prove that it's larger than half?
because 10 divided by 2 is 5.
So 5/10 would be right here at our halfway point.
And it's 4 more than 5, and so it's 9/10, so it should be roughly around the end, also because the fact that 9 is really close to 10, and 10 is 1 whole, which would cover up the entire number line.
Fantastic. Marin's saying, hey, remember, if we had 10/10, oops, I'm sorry. If we had 10/10, if we had 10/10, that would be the same thing as 1 whole. But we don't have 10/10, we have 9/10, just less than that. So, Marin, where would you like to place 9/10?
I think 9/10 should be a little bit less than the entire thing. Right there.
And my question to you then, Marin, is how do you know that 9/10 is larger than 7/12?
I know that it is larger than 7/12 because 7/12 is just 1 more than half, but 9 is actually 4 more than just half.
Fantastic. So you know that 7/12 is very close to 1/2, whereas 9/10 is much closer to 1 whole. Fantastic. Can we get 2 claps for everybody today? Ready? 1, 2. And now we have quickly but efficiently ordered these fractions from smallest to largest. Very nice job, everybody.